Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes His Trade Great. There you are, the chart. MINM, guys. So another one from our AI. Here was the alert at 3:45. Actually had a little bit of news about some guy named David A. Lazar. He must carry some prominence, disclosing a 51% stake in this company. So MINM, we had the alert here, okay, at around 9:40. You had time, okay, because look what happened after that. This is the second 15-minute candle. Actually dipped down to 332, closed, and then it started to move before it pulled back at all. This went from 345 all the way up to 556. It's still up as we speak, 20%. And I'm going to be waiting on this later on in the day to see if it maybe really holds this 4 level and starts to move. But that was just a tremendous alert from our AI on a percentage basis. All right, guys, want to get back in the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.